This is a video to help you find an equation of a line parallel to another line that goes through a point. Only in this problem, the equation of the original line is in standard form. And what I mean by standard form is in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. The first thing I have to do to solve this problem is find the slope of my original equation, which is in standard form. I'm going to do this by changing it to slope-intercept form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for y. The first thing I'm going to do is write my original equation down. I have 4x minus 7y is equal to 42. And I'm going to try and solve for y in this problem. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. When I do that, on the left side of the equation, I'm going to be left with just negative 7y. On the right side of this equation, I'm going to have negative 4x minus 42. Now to solve for y, the last thing I have to do is divide everything by negative 7. After I do that, my new equation is going to be y, because negative 7 divided by 7 is just 1, is equal to 4/7 x and then minus or plus 6, because a negative divided by a negative is positive. So the equation is y is equal to 4/7 x plus 6. Now I've got to write an equation of a line that's parallel to that equation that goes through the point negative 28, 16. If it's parallel, they have the same slopes. And I know that my slope in this problem is going to be 4/7. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to plug in my y of 16, my m of 4/7, and my x of negative 28, and solve for b. When I do that, the first thing I have to do is go ahead and plug the 16 in for y, the 4/7 in for m, and my negative 28 in for x, and I'm going to solve for b. If I multiply 4/7 times negative 28, what I'm going to get, negative 28 divided by 7 is going to be negative 4. So really what I have is 16 is equal to 4 times negative 4 plus b. If I multiply negative 4 times 4, I get negative 16. And then to solve this for b, I make a zero pair by adding 16 to both sides. And I'm going to get b is equal to 32, like so. Now, to write the equation, I have to use my slope of 4/7 and my b of 32. So the equation for this problem is going to be y is equal to 4/7 x plus 32.